Hello. We know we live on a planet called Earth, and Earth goes around the Sun. But do you know that our Sun has a whole family of other amazing objects traveling with it through space? This family is called our solar system. Today, we're going on a tour to meet all the different members of our cosmic neighborhood. First up, the superstar of our solar system, the Sun. The Sun is a giant glowing ball of super hot plasma. It's a star, just like the ones you see at night, but it's much, much closer to us. The Sun is so big and powerful that its gravity holds our whole solar system together. It gives us light and heat, which are super important for life on Earth. Next, we have the planets. Planets are large, round objects that orbit or travel around the Sun. There are 8 main planets in our solar system. Let's meet them quickly. The inner rocky planets. Mercury is the smallest and closest to the Sun. Super hot on one side, super cold on the other. Venus, super hot all the time because of its thick clouds, sometimes called Earth's sister planets because they're similar in size. Earth, our amazing home, the only planet we know for sure that has life. Mars, the red planet, known for its rusty color. Scientists are very curious about Mars. Next up, the outer gas giants. Jupiter, the biggest planet. It's a giant ball of gas with the famous Great Red Spot, which is a huge storm. Saturn, famous for its beautiful bright rings made of ice and rock. Uranus, an icy giant that's tilted on its side, so it kind of rolls around the Sun. Neptune, another icy giant, very cold, windy, and far away. Many of the planets are not alone on their journey. They have moons. Moons are smaller objects that orbit around the planet. Earth has one moon that you see in our sky, but some planets have lots of moons. Jupiter and Saturn have dozens and dozens of them, some big and some small. Now, there are also objects called dwarf planets. They are round like planets and orbit the Sun, but they are smaller and have not quite cleared their path of other space stuff. The most famous dwarf planet is Pluto. Pluto used to be called the 9th planet, but scientists decided it fits better in the dwarf planet group. There are other dwarf planets too, like Ceres, which lives in the asteroid belt, and Eris, which is even farther out than Pluto. Next up are asteroids. Asteroids are chunks of rock and metal, kind of like leftover building materials from when the planets were forming. Most asteroids in our solar system are in a big ring between Mars and Jupiter. This is called the asteroid belt. Asteroids can be all different sizes, ranging from as small as a car to as big as a small country. Then we have comets. Comets are giant, dirty snowballs made of ice, dust, and rock. They also orbit the Sun, but their paths are usually very long and oval shaped. When a comet gets close to the Sun, the ice starts to melt and turn into a gas, creating a beautiful glowing head and often 1 or 2 long tails that can stretch for millions of miles. Have you ever seen a shooting star? That's actually a meteor, and this is how it works. Meteoroids are small pieces of rock or dust floating in space. If a meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere, it burns up because of friction and creates a bright streak of light. That's a meteor. If a piece of the meteoroid is big enough to survive the fiery trip and actually land on Earth, it's called a meteorite. So our solar system is a super busy and exciting place. We have our star, the Sun, at the center, 8 planets orbiting the Sun, lots of moons orbiting planets, smaller dwarf planets like Pluto, rocky asteroids mostly in the asteroid belt, icy comets with glowing tails, and tiny meteoroids that can become shooting stars. It's an amazing cosmic family, and we're lucky to be a part of it. Thank you for watching.